There's test section 723008. We're on PR 52, south of San Juan, near Caguas, Puerto Rico. We have a jointed plain concrete pavement here, experiment design cell 3-97. Now that's assuming the dry no-freeze environmental zone, and I need to check that out with Francisco before I get away from here. This was open to traffic in 1973. The information shown on the project data sheet indicates 8 inches of Portland cement concrete, 6 inches of crushed stone base, and a clay silt subgrade. Just from observation, some of these things may change in that we have a section in a rather deep cut. We're starting to get into the mountains of central Puerto Rico here, and we may have indeed a coarse subgrade rather than a fine one. And also, we have found there to be 9.5 inches of concrete with the core that we just took a few minutes ago. I'll be showing that a little bit later. Let me go ahead and start the video and show the panoramic view of the section first. Okay, the sign there is to end construction. What's going on back, there's a bridge back behind us, so a couple hundred meters, and there's a project in which they are performing concrete pavement rehabilitation on the existing concrete pavement here. But it ends back on the other side of that bridge, and that sign is just a public notification sign there. What they're doing on that job is adding some dowels, retrofitting some dowels into the existing concrete pavement, removing and replacing some slabs, and doing some joint sealing and slab undersealing. Moving around in a clockwise direction, you begin to see the cut that we're getting into, although it's not nearly as much really, except in that area that we just saw on the other side, as it is over here. I'm seeing that momentarily. You can tell we're in the rugged country in the central mountain range of Puerto Rico. To the side, this is the type of cut we're in. Now we've got some lush plant life, a lot of ferns and so on overgrowing the rock on the face of the cut slope, but it's primarily rock there. Appears to be volcanic in origin, looks like basalt. Okay, just looking around here, I walk over to the cut just to show what types of material we're in. And you can see we're in the rocky material with some sand-sized particles mixed in here with it. This is what leads me to believe that we may be seeing a coarse subgrade here rather than the fine subgrade indicated on the project information sheet. Well, about 20 feet or so behind the test section, and you can see the location of the permanent monument right there. It's the standard cotton spindle driven through a ball dome lid. I'm going to move forward and begin the